Hi, KBS Travel, Sean and Amanda. We're at Curtain Bluff in Antigua. This is the south side, correct?
Southwest.
Southwest. Beautiful. Now, if you are into finer things, this is an all-inclusive but finer level. Food, personalization. They make their own ice cream and bread and hamburger buns. Like highly trained chefs. I mean, this is a different level. This is for people, if you think you're a foodie, this is where you should go. And you want to be a beach. Let's come in. This is the junior suite, BeachFront. Now these rooms are scheduled to be remodeled in a year or two,
Correct.
but they're still in great shape. This is just because Curtain Bluff keeps up. And good resorts always are up, keeping up. They don't let things fall apart before they do it. So large bathroom, walk-in shower, rain shower head, private water closet.
There's a bidet in there too.
It's a bidet in there too. There you go. There's your fancy. Soaking tub and a double vanity sink. I like these little holes. They let the steam kind of flow out. Big mirror, nice arched. This reminds me of the 60s right here. I love that. They don't do that anymore. Keep that, please. And the bed, the king-size bed is up, which I like. As you sit up, turn around, you see your view when you wake up. We're not even going to make you wait for the view. There's your view. Wake up to that.
Spectacular view.
That's how everybody should wake up every day. That appreciates the ocean. Large closet. Robe, slippers. Tons of storage. Safe. Great little sitting area right here. No televisions.
No television.
This is a very normal thing for proper resorts.
Great Wi-Fi.
They have great Wi-Fi though, and who
Yeah.
uses television? Nobody needs television anymore. I mean, honestly, it used to bother me years ago when I go to a place like this, but with Wi-Fi, I'm barely. The TV's kind of just like gray noise.
Yeah.
White noise?
Oh, this connects also?
Connects to an identical room like this.
This is
Very
Wendy.
nice.
She's yeah. Wendy is the one who has to oversee all this. So right now they're closed, getting ready for their new season, which is another thing. They don't fix things when you're here. They make sure that everything is in proper order when the season starts. The season starts October
26th
26th this year of 2019
until August 14th, 2020.
until August 14th, 2020.
Yeah.
So that's good to know. And this is I love the green.
So all the beds converted to twin beds if you have children.
Children are welcome here, folks.
Couch, and we can do a rollaway. So these rooms comfortably hold 4.
Yeah, look at the ceiling. It's got a
Yeah.
tray. It's nice. Whitewashed. Is that what, you know, I just love it.
Pickled.
That's pickled.
Yes.
Pickled. And the hallways even that has that. When you
Yes.
walk down the line, it's really nice. And let's go out and see the ocean. I mean, now when this is open, they have chairs out there, umbrellas. It's gonna be set up, so forgive that part, but it shows you concierge service. It gives you the whole idea of what we're dealing with, the beauty. And people from my area of America in the Northeast know that we love waves. So now you get clear water, blue, beautiful water with waves, which are fun. I mean, calm waters are great, but it's boring. After now, you stand out there, you have a couple drinks, and you're like, what do we do? This, you can body surf a little bit, you get knocked over. I love it. I just love waves.
And they sound great.
They sound great. You sit out there with a cocktail or a morning coffee. Get lined your I mean, it's amazing.
It's going to be a little windy out here, so
Yeah,
I'm just going to
yeah.
take
Yes.
the beach. There's some amazing snorkeling over here by the rocks. It's a wonderful property. Just right here on the beach.
Those are the bluff rooms. Famous bluff rooms going off the bluff.
All different waves.
Those will.
$1 million.
Let's get a good video of that.
Yes.
So, those the waves are good in the background. So the Bluff Suites up there have all been renovated, and they will be ready to go when it opens back up on October 26th. So you know that. Make sure you call KBS Travel. We'll make sure you're taken care of properly. We will communicate with Wendy. Make sure you guys have all your special needs met. This is a trip worth spending some extra money for. You don't have to worry about any issues. You don't have to worry about if the food's good. You don't have to worry about the service. They have the most extensive and best wine list on the island. And Wendy's gonna make sure you're happy.
That's right. You come and visit us anytime. We also have great specials through the fall and after the festive season.
Another thing here, they have nightly entertainment in a beautiful area. The courtyards at the courtyard.
Yes,
So there's nightly entertainment. I mean, you want to get a great trip with your kids and you want to culture them a little bit on the finer things. Bring them here, good food, beautiful beach, dance with your kids, have that memory, because before you know it, they're in college, they're off and they're grown and it's sad. You tell I have one that's in that period.
Kids camp, great organic kids camp, 4 tennis courts, squash court, pickleball, basketball, shuffleboard, bocce, table tennis, all water sports included, from scuba diving if you're certified, to
Really?
snorkeling,
Oh, that's
up to the
included?
reef, to
Oh,
water
scuba.
skiing, windsurfing, paddle boards.
Wow, they will not be bored. You won't
Not
have
at
any
all.
teenagers complaining here, that's for sure. Great.
Call us, Sean, Amanda, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification button so you get notified when new videos go up. And I'm telling you, if you have a little better budget and you want a really great experience because you're spending money that you work hard for, we understand. This is where you want to come and you want to give us a call. We get the same, you get the same deal. We're going to make sure everything's right. Please don't use online companies. Thank you. 610-334-1917. We're in one of the special suites here at Curtain Bluff. It's a great honeymoon or an anniversary special, or whatever. If you can afford it, let's do it. But I just want to show you, it's not ready to be open for a couple weeks, but I want to give you like the view. I want to show rooms that aren't ready. But the view doesn't change. It's beautiful year round. Especially on a day like today. We had rain yesterday, and today's a great recovery. So it's beautiful. And then we're up on the cliffs. You go there. I mean, it's just, I love the layout of it. Oh, you desal it on it?
Desal is
So it's drinkable water.
Yep, that's what we call it. But we do have body water. We are doing our best.
No, but it is kind of nice.
We are doing
As long as that one's going.